Computer vision, empowering machines to see. Computer vision is a fascinating field of artificial intelligence. It empowers computers to understand and interpret the visual world around them. This technology allows machines to process, analyze, and extract meaningful information from images and videos. The ultimate goal of computer vision is to enable computers to perform tasks that typically require human visual perception. This includes identifying objects, recognizing faces, and understanding scenes. The impact of computer vision is already being felt across numerous industries. Computer vision relies heavily on algorithms and models. These are trained on vast datasets of images and videos. These models learn to identify patterns, features, and objects within the visual data. The process typically involves several key steps. First, image acquisition, which is obtaining the visual data. Next, preprocessing prepares the image for analysis. Then, feature extraction identifies relevant features. Object detection and recognition locate and identify objects. Finally, interpretation and decision-making draw conclusions from the analysis. Face recognition is a prominent application of computer vision. It analyzes facial features to identify and verify individuals. This technology has become increasingly common in our daily lives. Face recognition is used for smartphone unlocking, providing a convenient and secure way to protect personal devices. It's also used for building access, controlling entry to secure areas. Surveillance systems also use face recognition to identify suspects in surveillance footage. Computer vision is revolutionizing healthcare. It assists in diagnosing diseases through medical image analysis. It can also detect anomalies in X-rays and MRIs, such as identifying cancerous tumors. The automotive industry is also being transformed by computer vision. Self-driving cars rely on it to perceive their surroundings. This includes identifying obstacles and navigating autonomously. Object detection is another crucial application. It involves identifying and locating specific objects within an image or video. For example, detecting pedestrians in a street scene. Image classification categorizes an entire image based on its content. A common example is classifying an image as containing a cat or a dog. This is useful for organizing and searching large image databases. Video analysis focuses on understanding actions and events in a video. This can be used for monitoring crowd behavior or analyzing sports performance. The possibilities are endless. Robotics benefits greatly from computer vision. It enables robots to see and interact with their environment. For example, a robot can use computer vision to pick and place objects in a warehouse. The development of deep learning techniques has been a major driving force in computer vision. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, are specifically designed to analyze visual data. These have significantly improved accuracy and efficiency. Computer vision is poised to play an increasingly important role in the future. It has the potential to automate tasks and provide valuable insights across various fields. Its impact on society will only continue to grow. Thanks for watching Tadhem.